True wealth. Once upon a time there lived a very rich and wealthy man in a big city. He lived a life of luxury. He was always proud of his wealth in front of his friends and relatives. His son was studying in a distant city and he returned home after the holidays. The rich man wanted to show his son how rich he was. But his son was not interested in a luxurious lifestyle. However, the rich man wanted to convince his son that his lifestyle was very rich and that the poor had to suffer a lot. He planned a one-day tour of the entire town to get acquainted with the lives of the poor. The father and son went around the city in a chariot. He returned home 2 days later. The father was happy that his son respected the poor as rich and was very quiet when he saw the suffering of the poor due to lack of facilities. The rich man asked his son, "Dear boy, how was the journey? Did you enjoy?" "Yes, Father John, it was a wonderful journey with you," replied the son. "So, what did you learn from the trip?" the father asked. The son became silent. The father said, "You have finally realized how the poor suffer and how they actually live," the father said. "No, father," replied the son. He added, "We have only 2 dogs, they have 10 dogs. We have a big pond in our garden, but they have a huge bay with no end. We imported from different countries. Yes, there are luxury and expensive lights here, but we have a house on a small piece of land, but they have a lot of fields that are off the horizon. They are protected by strong walls, but they are connected to each other and surrounded by their partner. We have to buy food from them, but they are rich enough to grow their own food." Quote. The rich father was stunned to hear his son's words. Finally the son added, "Father, thank you so much for showing me who is rich and who is poor. To make me understand how poor we really are. Real wealth is not measured by money or property. Real wealth comes from good friendships and loving relationships.